You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired. And I don't know if you guys have seen the new stained glass cards that people are making. They may not even be new, but they are definitely very popular right now. But they're so pretty. So I'm going to show you how to go about designing one of these in Design Space. And I have the template already set up, so we're going to go ahead and start designing the project. First, we're going to go ahead and upload an image. So click Upload, then Browse. And click your image and open. Now, we're going to do this as a print then cut image. So I'm going to choose Complex. And here there's no need to remove any background because we are doing it as a print then cut. And then go ahead and choose print then cut for your upload type. You can add it to collection, you can tag it. Go ahead and upload. And now we can go ahead and click on it and we're going to add to canvas. For this card, we are going to want this piece 5.25 and we want it a square. So because it's a little rectangular here, so I'm going to go ahead and unlock my button. 5.25 by 5.25. And then once we have that, let's go ahead and we are going to duplicate this 2 times. There we go. Now to begin, this black piece is going to be our background. So the black pieces we're going to put in, and these gray pieces we're going to use to slice. Actually, let me remove this piece. We don't need that piece. I'm just going to put that down there for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the gray pieces to slice through. So we're going to take this gray piece, start with this one here, and go ahead and bring it to the front. And then just go ahead, drag your mouse over both, hit align and center. And then now you're going to want to slice those two. So we're going to do the same thing. So just go ahead and drag your mouse over both of those. Hit slice. Now this is the piece we need, so we're going to go ahead and delete this piece. So we're going to go ahead and layer this on, put this right about there. Now you are going to have a little bit of a frame around it because that gives it the stained glass with the black, so you do have a little edge here. And then you can go ahead and align, but you're going to do center vertically here. You don't want it in the middle, but you do want it centered up and down. So that centered it there. Then next, we're going to bring up our next size of black cardstock. Let's go ahead and bring to the front. Get it about centered. And if you have a hard time clicking that and then clicking the next one, move it down some. It's going to be much easier when the edges aren't so close. So click here, hold shift, click your next image, and then center. Ready to add this piece. So we're going to bring this one to the front. So we're going to center these also, so I'm just going to drag my mouse, get both of those, align and center. Now we need to slice this last piece, so we're going to take the gray one, bring it to the front, and you can try to center it, but you really don't need to. You just got to get them over each other and then let Design Space do the rest. Oh, don't want to include that square. Go ahead, align and center again. Now we're going to drag that mouse again over these two because we want to slice these two pieces. Now we can get rid of this piece. And then this is the piece we need. So, but we're going to put our next layer of black on. So we're going to bring that black to the front. Move this piece out of here, which is kind of in my way. And I want to center these. And then we're going to bring this one up, bring to the front, and then drag our mouse and center these also. And then that is the finished image there. So you can go ahead and group these so I can move them easily. That is how you make the stained glass card. I'm going to go ahead and design something for the inside also. I think it shall say, have a flamazing birthday, or have have a birthday as flamazing as you. Now to assemble the card, you could just glue the pieces together, but I think dimension really makes it look great, so I like to put some foam pop-up squares behind that. But you could also flatten this all into one image and have one print and cut image also. But there's so many different stained glass images. I also took the sunflower and butterfly image and turned that into a stained glass also. You can go ahead and search online. You won't find them within community projects because it is something you have to upload, so it's not shareable. But you can look, there's tons of different images out there, but they're really pretty. They give a really nice effect. Here I just typed in hummingbird because I love hummingbirds. And so you're just gonna look like an image like this. Like this one would work beautifully. And there's so many different ones out there, so you just kind of browse. And there are lots of different ones on Etsy, but remember, designers deserve to make money off their designs. So a lot of them are for purchase on there you could do if you like. But there's so many different pretty ones. You just type in whatever you look for. I did all sorts of different animals and butterflies and flowers, and there's so many to choose from. This one is gorgeous. Look at this one. I love that one. But the possibilities are endless. And the square template we did make public in Design Space, so you can find it there on our Melody Lane profile. And we also do have a round one and a rectangle one that we will put out for our supporters on Patreon. So at patreon.com/melodylane, they get access to over 1,000 of our projects and access to our 24/7 crafting Zoom, which is amazing. You get to craft at home, be safe, and make friends from all over. They do all sorts of different fun things in there, and they just go in and craft and make great friendships. So you can check that out and join our family at patreon.com/melodylane. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we hope you all have a craftastic week. Thank you for watching us. We greatly appreciate it. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.